With over 800 miles of beach and ocean surrounding much of the entire state, Florida has no shortage of kiteboarding spots. In this video, I'll be going over my top 5 favorite spots to kiteboard in Florida and when the best time of the year is to go. So let's begin. Number 5. Jupiter. This spot is more of an intermediate to advanced spot due to the deep water and sometimes wavy conditions, but is definitely worth checking out if you're in the area. Number 4. Tigertail Beach in Marco Island. During a cold front, you'll get really strong wind coming in from the west in that 30 to 40 knot range. And Tigertail's the spot to go. It's located west of Miami, and once arriving to the parking area, it's about a 20 to 30 hike to the kite spot. So if you plan on making a day trip out of it, make sure you pack some water and some snacks. This spot has nice flat water, and with the combination of the windy conditions, you'll be boosting higher probably than you've ever have before. Number 3, St. Petersburg, Florida. Near Tampa, Florida, this spot is located underneath the Skyway Bridge. This spot is great for all levels of riders with flat, shallow water that goes for miles. Kite lessons are available here, and it is a perfect spot to learn. I'll leave some links to the kite schools that teach in this area in the description box below. Number 2, Miami. Probably having the most concentrated spots in Florida. You can kite at North Beach, South Beach. You have Matheson Hammock Park if you want a shallow, flat riding area or maybe take some lessons. You got Crandon Park and Biscayne Bay. Note, many of the spots in Miami are regulated, and you may have to show proof that you're a level 3 kiteboarder either through PASA or IKO. If you don't have the certification card, many of the schools there can issue you one as long as you demonstrate the criteria of a level 3 rider. And number 1, Islamorada in the Keys. The 2 spots here are Ann's Beach and my favorite out of the 2, Curry Hammock Park. These spots are great for a south wind and features flat, shallow, and beautiful turquoise water for miles, and probably one of the more exotic places to kite in Florida. So when is the kite season in Florida? The season starts in October and ends around May. The wind speed average is usually around 14 to 20 knots when it's blowing, and throughout most of the year, the wind's usually blowing from a north or northeast wind direction. But again, with those cold fronts coming down from the north, that's when you'll get those strong west winds in the 30 and sometimes 40 knot range. If you want to make the most out of the kite season here, knowing how to foil board will definitely add more kite sessions in the season for you. If you have any questions about kiteboarding Florida or any of the spots we've covered today in the video, feel free to shoot me a message in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.